And yes, everybody, I finally got the brand new red snakebite. This one is really nice. I also found this along with the Batmobile and the Easter dump bin at my Walmart. Pure 2025 snakebite, guys. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Look at this beautiful thing. That is so beautiful. I love the paint scheme on this. So this is a really nice truck. Like, I have the black one, and now I have this one, which is cool. I didn't have the Chase the yellow and reddish looking one. Name, snakebite, truck type, pickup, strength, venomous, velocity, crash attack, quick strike, snakebite logo. Pretty cool. Firestone on the back. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. I want to see what it looks like in hand. Ooh, look at this baby. This is so nice. Look at this. Oh my god, you know I had metal flake. Look at that snakebite, guys. Firestone. Oh, the green scales are nice. Look at that. Love that color. The snake logo. Look at that. I mean, no, Hot Wheels though, not snake. It has the snake detail like the scales, which is really nice. I love this one. This is my favorite one now. The red eye, the green scales, snakebite right here. It says Bigfoot in the back. It says Bigfoot. I don't even know what that says. Ed and something. With a number at the bottom. I guess that's the year, I guess. So here's, guys, Firestone Summit. Gray rims and beadlocks. Black roll cage, silver chassis. Oops. So yeah, this reminds me of the... I had a toy like this when I was little. You press it and it would like drive on its own and it'll make sound. I don't know if you guys remember those. They don't make those no more, unfortunately. That's what it reminds you of. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to Target again tomorrow, see what I find. If I find anything different. Like, subscribe, comment, share. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.